To fix the problem where your AOD always on display doesn't show up in Samsung Galaxy S25, first let's open a settings on our phone. Then scroll down to the lock screen and AOD and select always on display from the options. Right here, obviously you will need to make sure that your always on display is active, otherwise it won't show up. Next thing we can do is if your desired wallpaper doesn't show up, you need to make sure that show lock screen wallpaper is active, and then we can scroll down and finally enter the most important setting, which is when to show. So here you can change behavior when your always on display will be shown, and you can switch to tap to show, auto, always, as scheduled, or for new notifications. So probably if you want your always on display to be always active, you need to select always, which will make your always on display actual always. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.